In a golden kingdom, there lived a princess named Lyra. She had a strange gift. Whenever someone lied, she could hear a whisper in her ear. That is not the truth. As a child, Lyra once asked her maid,
"Do you like me?" "Of course, princess."
The maid smiled, but a voice whispered,
"She is afraid of you."
Lyra froze. From that day, she trusted no one. Years passed. Lyra became quiet and careful. In the royal court, people smiled, but she heard the truth behind every word. A minister said,
"Your Majesty, we are loyal!"
Lyra's heart raced.
He plans to betray the king. This gift is a curse.
She whispered. One day, a prince arrived from a distant kingdom. His name was Zane. He stood confident and calm. When he saw Lyra, he smiled.
It's an honor to meet you, Princess.
Lyra looked into his eyes and waited. No whisper came. No voice. No truth. Only silence. Lyra stepped back in shock.
Say that again.
I said it's an honor to meet you.
Still, nothing. Lyra's heart started beating fast. That night, Lyra whispered to herself, "Why can't I hear his lies?"
Is he the only honest person? Or is he hiding something even deeper?
The next day, Lyra followed him secretly. She saw him in a dark hallway, talking to someone.
I'm close to the throne.
He is not here for peace.
Lyra froze. The whisper finally returned. Lyra's eyes widened.
What is he planning? Can Lyra trust him? Comment your guesses for part 2 below. And don't forget to follow and like my account.